Hi there. Today we need to round some numbers away from zero. Let's look at our three problems and do them one by one. What does rounding away from zero mean? It means we always push the number farther from zero. If the number is positive, we make it bigger. If the number is negative, we make it more negative. We do this when there are leftover digits that are not all zero. Let's start with part 1. The number is negative 27.3289. We need three significant figures. We count 2 is the first, 7 is the second, 3 is the third. The leftover digits are 2, 8 and 9. The leftover digits are 289. That is not 0, so we must round away from 0. The number is negative, so we push it more negative. The 3 goes up to 4. Our answer is negative 27.4. Now let's do part 2. The number is negative 59058. We need two significant figures. We count 5 is the first, 9 is the second. The leftover digits are 0, 5 and 8. The leftover digits are 0, 5, 8. That is not all zeros, so we round away from 0. The 9 goes up by 1, but 9 plus 1 is 10. So the 9 becomes 0 and we carry 1 to the 5, making it 6. Our answer is negative 6000. Now let's do part 5. The number is 0.03857. The zeros at the start do not count. We count 3 is the first, 8 is the second, 5 is the third. The leftover digit is 7. The leftover digit is 7. That is not 0, so we round away from 0. This number is positive, so we make it bigger. The 5 goes up to 6. Our answer is 0.00386. Great job. Here are all our answers. Negative 27.3289 rounds to negative 27.4. Negative 59058 rounds to negative 6000. And 0.003857 rounds to 0.00386. You did amazing work today.